Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack on the highlights on Jocelyn's trial. Ay, maka Jocelyn nayo Kelly Smith. Hello sis. Manje, she fell ill, sisters. Paramedics that were available there helped her out. He took like a long break from 10 to like after 12. Aye. And also bese ngithi ku this Lombard investigator, one of the leading investigators there in this case, was just talking how they started to do this case and how they were trying to find Jocelyn after her disappearance and all of that. So he was just mentioning Lombard, his surname actually, this guy. So he was just mentioning the demeanor and sisters. Also sisters showed no emotions. At some stage he was swearing at them, all those police officers, until Lombard you can't be swearing at police officers when they're trying to find your child. Who are you? What are you doing? Bathi nje he wasn't showing any emotions with sisters. Ukhaleke nje noma uyikhaliseka ukuthi ulahlelwe ingane. Something guys, but she wasn't even doing anything. Kelly Smith eyihlalele nje at some stage he even told uLombard ukuthi hey yazi ngcono ngoba manje I'm just gonna be able to continue with my life now that I'm left with 2 children. Guys, who even says things like that? Elahlekelwe ingane engayazi ukuthi ingane yakhe. Tuzwa ngithi uKelly Smith ayazi ingane yakhe kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani ngayo. Why are we even going through this using ama-resources estate when she knows very well what happened? Ukuyibona leyo nto. Kuthiwa uKelly it took her like a week to get over Jocelyn. Guys, is there anything like that? Someone you gave birth to? Yeah, guys, there's nothing like this. Captain Lombard was actually very worried, guys, about sisters. He's like, she didn't care what's going on about finding Jocelyn, She wasn't worried at all. She didn't care. She was just in a hurry to move on with her life. Those are the things that Kelly, Jocelyn's mother, was telling the captain. Guys, hey. So when Captain Lombard was testifying, he also mentioned that Kelly did not ask them about the status of the investigation. She just wanted to move on with her life. She kept on telling him that, and she was irritated and agitated like most of the time. But to Kelly Wati, and she's heartbroken about her child, but showed no emotions. Kelly Smith even told Captain Wesley Lombard that my daughter has made me famous. Guys, who even says things like that about their child? And the most disturbing thing here about Kelly is that Bati, she didn't care, guys, at all. All she wanted, and all she kept on saying was, I want to move on with my life. Also, I know that Jocelyn is not in Sultan. Guys, it's a lot. And the most important thing that Captain Wesley Lombard mentioned is that when they tried to speak to Buddha and Kelly just to find out what happened to the child, like what's going on, they were not saying the same things, but they were staying together with these 3 children. That's why Kelly kept on saying, I want to move on with my life. I still have 2 children to take care of, so I need to move on. Imagine, guys. Like I said, guys, court had to adjourn for a short period so that Kelly izohamba ayohlanza, because she was just about to puke inside the court. Sisters asebamba umlomo was just like I was saying, please don't do that. She ran out of the court. And then Judge Erasmus naye manje bese khuluma indaba zokuthi people who are taking care of the court now mustn't be disrespected. I was just like, and then who is that coming from now? Who said what to who? ukubona uCaptain-ke Wesley Lombard naye-ke ikhulumile indaba yesangoma ukuthi wayizwa-ke during the conversations zalabantu laba ababebhizi obhuta nabangani bakhe uStefano and Kelly Smith. Guys, we will continue later ngendaba kaJoshlin because Captain Wesley Lombard now was just explaining ukuthi they went to Stefano's house and that whole thing ukuthi they had to interview them individually and all of that. So I was just like, no, it's fine. And they had said also they're going to recess. I'm sure they're going to announce today if they're going to recess. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching this channel and helping us in this channel a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Ngithanda over.